Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and your carpet, upholstery, or car interior has seen better days, then today's video is for you. We're going over the 5 best portable carpet cleaners of 2026. These are the must-have gadgets for anyone who wants to deep clean quickly and efficiently without breaking the bank. From pet messes to tough stains, these cleaners are up to the task. Let's dive in and check them out. First up is the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This little guy has been a game changer for me when it comes to spot cleaning. Whether I'm dealing with pet messes, car interiors, or just cleaning up some random spills, this portable cleaner gets the job done. It's super compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around and use in all sorts of places. The 1400B model comes with some really specialty tools that help with hard-to-reach spots, making it perfect for upholstery and even auto detailing. The powerful suction is perfect for pulling up stains without leaving a soggy mess behind. Plus, the green design looks pretty cool too. I use this on my couch, car seats, and even my dog's favorite spots. Works like a charm. Check the link in the description to get yours today. Next, we have the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet, Upholstery, and Area Rug Cleaner. If you've got pets, this is one you want to pay attention to. The pet mess tool included with this model is perfect for tackling those tough pet stains and odors that can be a nightmare to get rid of. Whether you're dealing with dog accidents or just want to freshen up the carpet, this cleaner has powerful suction and comes with a complete set of 3 cleaning tools and a cleaning solution. The whole package is user-friendly, and the lightweight design makes it a breeze to use for upholstery, area rugs, and even car interiors. The pet mess tool is a lifesaver. Works wonders on carpets and my car seats. My house smells so fresh now. Check out the link below to grab the Shark StainStriker. Now, if you're looking for solid suction and versatility, the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner is a great pick. This one is all about powerful suction and ease of use. I was honestly surprised by how well it works for spot cleaning on carpets, upholstery, and furniture. The versatile tools make it super easy to get into crevices or clean those high-traffic areas where dirt and grime accumulate. The Dirt Devil Spot Cleaner solution is also a great addition that pairs perfectly with this machine. It's a no-frills, affordable solution to keep your house and car looking fresh. I've used this in my car, on the couch, and even on my rug. It works fast and does a great job without a ton of fuss. Get your Dirt Devil Spot Cleaner from the link in the description. If you need something with powerful suction and great for pet stains, the Kenmore KW2001 Spotlight Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner and Pet Stain Remover should be on your radar. It's got a 17 kilopascal suction power, which is amazing for pulling up stubborn stains and pet messes. The included tools are versatile, so whether you're cleaning upholstery, couches, or your car interior, it does a great job on all surfaces. It's also easy to use. No complicated setup, just plug it in and go. I also love that it's super compact and easy to store in a closet or even your car. It's lightweight, but packs a punch. I use it on my couch and carpets. It really gets into the fibers. Bissell SpotClean Pro Portable Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This one is ideal for deep cleaning. I use it on carpets, sofas, and even curtains. What sets this apart is its ability to use warm water to treat tough stains like curry and other messes that just don't come out with regular cleaning. It has a strong suction power and a long cord, so you can cover a lot of ground. The wet and dry functionality is also a huge plus because it lets you clean up spills without worrying about leaving excess moisture behind. The 2-year warranty gives you peace of mind too. I've been using this on my living room carpet and the results are incredible. Tough stains are no match for it. Learn more about the Bissell SpotClean Pro through the link below. And there you have it. The 5 best portable carpet cleaners of 2026. Whether you're dealing with pet messes, spills, or just want to give your home a deep clean, these are the gadgets you need. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try out, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Check out the description for all the links to grab the products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.